So in this tutorial, we learn how to install Matplotlib in Pycharm. So Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visuals in Python. And Pycharm is an integrated development environment for programming in Python. But before installing Pycharm, make sure that you have already installed Python. If not so, you can follow the link in the description below and learn how to download and install Python. First, open your Pycharm Community Edition. So I had already created my project folder, written some code, and run my code. So let's begin the process of installing Matplotlib in Pycharm. Click the main menu at the top left corner of your screen and click Settings. On the left sidebar, under the project and the folder that contains your project, click Python Interpreter. And here you'll see all the packages available in my Pycharm. So click the plus sign for install and search for the package Matplotlib. So click the package and click install package. Keep in mind that you need an internet connection to do the installation process. And we have gotten a message that Matplotlib has been installed successfully. You can close and come back to the Python interpreter. You'll see that our package has been installed successfully. So that's how to install Matplotlib in Pycharm. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from WebPro Education.